catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the world. Don't be afraid to try the greatest sport around. Catch a wave, catch a wave. Those who don't just have to put it down. You paddle out, turn around and raise, and baby, that's all there is to the coastline craze. You gotta catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the world. Not just a fad, 'cause it's been going on so long. Catch a wave, catch a wave. They say it wouldn't last too long. They'll eat their words with a fork and spoon and watch them. They'll hit the road and all be surfing soon. And when they catch a wave, they'll be sitting on top of the world. Catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the world. So take a lesson from a top-notch surfer boy. Catch a wave, catch a wave. But don't you treat it like a toy. Just get away from the shady turf and baby, go catch some rays on the sunny surf. And when you catch a wave, you'll be sitting on top of the world. Catch a wave, you'll be sitting on top of the world.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be surfing like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch them surfing at Nell, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Australia's Caribbean, all over Manhattan, and down the Meany Way. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing, surfing USA. Hangar Keys and Swan, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sun, Redondo Beach and Lake, all over Hawaii, Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA. Surfing USA. Yeah, everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.
Friends, easier if someone's going out with this guy.
Sitting in my car outside your remember when you still go T-shirts, cut-offs, and a pair of we've been having fun all summer long. Summer long, you've been with me. I can't see